Hi friends, this video shows how to install and set up OpenClaw on Android mobile phone. Go to Android mobile phone, open Google Play Store, then install this app, Termux. Click on install. Okay, installation completed. Let me open this Termux app. Tap on this Termux app icon. See, this is Termux terminal. Here we can run commands. We can also install softwares using this terminal. First I am going to install Ubuntu operating system in Termux. For that we need to run some commands. First command is pkg update and pkg upgrade. This command will update repositories so we can install latest version of packages. Copy this command, paste in Termux terminal, then hit enter. Next command is Termux setup storage. Using this command we can grant file access for Termux. See, this command has opened this screen. Here we need to go down and select Termux, enable Termux, then go back. Done. Next I am going to install package proot distro. This package will help me to install operating systems like Ubuntu in Termux environment. Copy this command, run in Termux terminal. Okay, done. Next I am going to install Ubuntu operating system using proot distro package. Copy this command, run in Termux terminal. Please wait, this takes some time. Now I am installing complete Ubuntu Linux in Android mobile phone. Okay, done. So now I have successfully installed Ubuntu Linux on Android mobile phone. Next I am going to log into Ubuntu Linux. Run this command, proot distro login Ubuntu. Run this command. See, now I am inside Ubuntu Linux. Here I can run all Ubuntu Linux commands and I can install all Ubuntu Linux softwares. Next I am going to install OpenClaw. Before installing OpenClaw, I need to install some dependency packages. Next I am going to update Ubuntu repositories and upgrade Ubuntu packages. Run this command. This takes time, so please wait. This is very important so we can install latest version of softwares. Okay, done. Next I am going to install dependency packages curl, git and build essential. Let me run this command. This takes time, so please wait. Okay, done. Next I am going to install latest version of Node. Copy this command, run in Termux terminal. Okay, done. Next I am going to install latest version of Node.js. Run this command. apt install -y node.js. Okay, done. Next I am going to install OpenClaw. OpenClaw using npm package manager. Run this command, npm install -g OpenClaw. This takes time, so please wait. Okay, done. So now I have successfully installed OpenClaw. Before running OpenClaw, we need to fix one non-issue. We need to fix this bionic kernel crash issue. First we need to create one JS file with this content. Here file name is hijack.js. You can give any name. Then we need to add one export command in .bashrc file, then source the bashrc file. First let me create this hijack.js file. Copy paste. Okay, done. Next I am going to add this export command in .bashrc file. Let me copy this command and execute. Then source this bashrc file. Let me copy this command. Then run here. Okay, done. Next I am going to configure and launch OpenClaw. For that we can run this command, OpenClaw onboard. Let me run this command. Here you can see one yes or no prompt. Here we need to select yes. Let me select yes here. Then select quick start. Here we need to select API provider. Let me select open router from the list. Select it. Then enter open router API key. Let me create API key. Go to this openrouter.ai settings/keys and here you can see one create button. Click on this button. That way we can create API key. I already created one key. Let me paste this key. Then enter. Done. So next we need to select model. Let me select one free model. This step is very important. We have to select free model. Let me select this free model, Open Router Google Gemini Flashlight Preview. Select it. Next we can configure channel, and here you can see list of channels. For now let me select Telegram. Next we need to enter Telegram bot token. So we need to create one Telegram bot token. Go to your Telegram app, type bot father, then tap on bot father, tap on start, and here we need to type /new bot, then enter. Then we need to set name for new bot. You can enter new name here, then enter. Let me enter same name again as username. Okay, done. So now Telegram chatbot is ready. This is a name. Here you can see the bot token. Copy this token, then paste this token into Termux terminal. So let me paste here, enter, done. Now it's asking, do you want to configure skills? No, let me select no and skip this. I am going to skip this as well. Select skip for now, then enter. Okay, done. See the message, onboarding complete. So now configuration and setup of OpenClaw has been completed. Go a little bit up. Here you can see the URL to access OpenClaw gateway dashboard. At this point, you won't be able to access OpenClaw gateway dashboard because OpenClaw gateway is not running. So we need to start OpenClaw gateway. Press Ctrl C and exit from configuration terminal. Then run the command OpenClaw gateway --verbose. This command will start OpenClaw gateway in verbose mode. Okay, done. So now OpenClaw gateway is running. Now I can access dashboard. Let me open Google Chrome browser. Then enter this address localhost :18789. See, this has opened OpenClaw gateway dashboard, but there is an error disconnected. I will show you how to fix that. Go to overview, and here you can see the one section. So here we need to copy paste token. I will show you how we can copy paste token here. Go to Termux, open another terminal, and here we need to log into Ubuntu. Here we need to open one file. Run this command cat.openclaw/openclaw.json. Then inside this JSON file we need to find gateway section. Find gateway session, and under gateway you can find the token. Copy this token. Then go to Chrome browser. Paste that token here. Then let me remove double quotes from start and end. Then go down. And here you can find connect button. Click on this connect button, then again go down. See, now status has been changed to connected. Done. So this way we can fix that disconnected error. Let me go to chat tab. See, it's working. Now I can type prompt here and submit. See, I have submitted one prompt. Please wait. See the result. Next I am going to test Telegram channel. Open the bot, that new bot I have created. Click here, then click on start. So now I am inside the new bot. First we need to pair. Copy this OpenClaw pairing command from Telegram, then paste here in the Termux terminal. Then enter. Please wait. Okay, done. Pairing completed. See the message approved. Next I am going to test prompt from Telegram channel. Let me type this prompt. List all files under the root directory. Then submit this prompt. See, it's working. See, you would be able to see result in both Telegram channel and OpenClaw gateway dashboard. This way we can set up OpenClaw in Android mobile phone and build a OpenClaw lab for learning. So far you have learned how to install Termux in Android mobile phone, then install Ubuntu on top. Then I installed OpenClaw on Ubuntu, then configured OpenClaw with OpenClaw gateway dashboard and Telegram channel. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.